Alright, on this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can turn your animation into animated GIF, and you can keep it transparent if that is what you like. You are welcome again to this section of the tutorial. This is Photoshop right here, Adobe Photoshop. So go to create new, then I'm going to select 1920 by 1080 custom. Make sure you name it to whatever you can remember. Then you hit create. So you go to layer, then you go down to video layer, then new video layer from file. So this is why it is important for you to have rendered your animation to a directory where you can easily remember. So I'm going to navigate to the directory where I have rendered the previous animation. This is my file, so I'm going to select on my file and then hit open. This is going to process my animation. Beautiful. As you can see, the animation is right here and it is transparent as we have rendered it out from Adobe After Effects. If you scrub through the timeline here, you can see that everything is as we have made it in Adobe After Effects. So you might, in your own case, you might not be seeing the timeline right here below. So to see that, you go to window and make sure the timeline right here is checked. This is it right here. In my own case it is. So we're gonna optimize this for web. We go to image, then image size. I'm gonna reduce this to 600 pixel and let the system do the other calculation for the height, and then hit OK. Hit convert. So this is now optimized for the web. Now to export this, you go to file, export, and go to save for web legacy. Set this preset to give 128 the third. That will be okay and fine for this. Every other setting right here is okay. Then you come down right here where it says looping options. Make sure you set that to forever. If you want it loop once, you select the once. This will depend on your preferences, and if you set this to forever, it will keep looping continuously as long as the file is open. Then hit save. So once you have your file named, then you hit save. That is going to process the animation into a GIF. The process is completed, so let's navigate through our file to see what we have created so far. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button. That will make the algorithm suggest this video to more people. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment. I will answer you right away. Thank you again. Until I see you on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from Motion Digit Studios.